So people, let's carry on with this mini rebuild, shall we? We're going to get these arms on now. So yeah, let's just crack on. I ain't got time. Son's got football today. Football. But, you know, one of them things. Kids love it. So, this is the wrong one. Yeah. This is the right one. So, I'm going to do shock nuts. That's in there. All new washers, new nuts. Because why not? Yeah. And on there. And then we're going to need the bracket for the other side. Use this one. So this has got to go on here. And again, new nuts, new washers. Everything's in our lovely coat of black. Got the shock in. And marine at the same time, which is lovely. There we go. Get up. Oh, shock. There we go. Well, you saw a lot of the back of me, didn't you? That's it, it's on. So now, we need the M6s for hold the bolts onto the radius arms. Hold the radius arms onto the beam. Put in all new washers. Put all new nylock nuts on. Nice and clean. Clean and nice. Four, not three. Shock bolt. Well, I'm going to do that up. Good. I'm going to dugger these up for now. Gap in there. Get a ratchet. These will be torqued up once the car's on its wheels. Yep. If you noticed, I did this and this up before doing these up. So it gets a chance to pull these brackets together and then you bolt it down instead of bending the inner bracket, yeah? brake lines. Come on, get in there. So it goes on there. Goes back on here. I'll get a spanner. I think it was one or the other. Handbrake cable. You got to grease this slider. I'm not putting the split pin back in this thing because it was a bit of a bloody pain. Well, then again, should I just put one in? I'll just put one in, shall I? Where's my tub of split pins? I'll put it back. You notice though, it's always your small ones that end up right at the bottom. Go. I'll leave that off until I've got the other side on, because otherwise I'm not going to be able to spin it around to get the pin back in. Shock bolt. There we go. This is on with the new bearing, isn't it? Oh yes. Now the other one's a bit more awkward because it's upside down. I'll just get you down, shall I? It's got to go in there. Loads of room, look. Easy as pie. Yep. If I remember rightly, I have to take the shock off last, so I'll put the shock on first. Drop that through. Yeah. Brackets. Very tight to get it off. Anything. Plumbing things. Come on. Jesus. It's what you get for messing around on the floor, isn't it? So the top's dropped in, the bottom even. There we go. Just needed a bit of persuasion, didn't it? Let me think. easiest bolts to get to. Because the adjuster's in the way, and these are slightly bigger headed bolts. That'll have to do. I'll just check them with the ratchet. It's mad when you look at these little farty brackets and the work I put into my space frame brackets. It's mad, isn't it? But you think, oh, that's not strong enough. Look at that. Compared to what I made. Madness, isn't it? Top one as well. Cable, line, it's twisted. Get in there, you son of a monkey bitch. Line. I do the spanner, people. Back up there. And these are going to need a little bit of adjustments once we put the handbrake cables in. Penny's going to need a repaint one day, but I'll let somebody else do that. I'll get it in now. Oh, it's got to come all the way around this side, hasn't he? Your sausage. The paint flake. Hate it. But I've got no red paints, and I ain't going to start painting them another colour. Oop. Good. Put that back in there. Back in there. Ideally, I might pull a new handbrake cable on this, but it's only a little bit scruffy. It's not physically no good, you know what I mean? It's not physically no good, then there's no real need to change it, is there? Apart from the looks. There we go. And they also need two split pins. And they're down to you. I've only got long ones left. Too big, isn't it? Yes. I did buy a load of these for this hole at one point. One. Come on. There's one. Two. So the handbrake's going to need adjusting and greasing in there. Oh, back end. Oh, not quite. Yeah, you forgot that. Alright, that got dug it. Not too bad, to be honest. Put some decent little torque on them. Smash. Oh, look. That's for a front drive shaft. R-clip. I'll run them on the booster. Guessing that's where my spare was. Alright, so that's done. Back together. Next, really, I'll leave the adjustment to the handbrake. What was I going to do?